Morning everyone, another vlog today to show you part of my active life. Today we're gonna hit the gym. Let's do this. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed my gym session. As you can see, my hair looks a little bit messy, but as expected after hard gym session, I'm sweating and all of that, so that's absolutely normal. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question about the hair system, leave a comment down below or send her for all London an email or give them a call. Have a good one, guys.